Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Imovie and creating a new movie project so the app sets the base timeline. Once done, import your clips and drag the main clip into the timeline. This lets you work non-destructively. Next, select the clip and click the crop button above the viewer to reveal fit, crop to fill, and Ken Burns. You do this because Imovie controls frame composition via cropping instead of numeric canvas resizing. So setting the crop is your first actionable step toward changing dimensions. Now you change the visible dimensions. Choose crop to fill to define the composition and drag the crop rectangle to the desired ratio, which effectively changes the output framing. If you need a vertical format like 9:16, rotate the clip 90 degrees, set a tall crop, and remember to rotate back after export if necessary. Also, adjust zoom with the slider or pinch gestures to scale without losing focal content. Make sure to scrub the timeline so moving subjects stay inside the new frame. Finish by exporting through File, Share, File, and pick a resolution and quality that best match your chosen dimensions. Imovie uses standard presets, so match those to avoid scaling artifacts. If you need an exact pixel size, export at the closest preset and use a lightweight app to resize or add padding afterward. If you see black bars or unexpected letterboxing, go back, reapply crop to fill, or export at the clip's native aspect ratio. A key troubleshooting tip: verify your source resolution and crop framing before the final export to prevent soft or padded output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.